See that nice big X? That means you're not worth saving. This is one of the last shots of the Lincoln Foods mill building in Lawrence, Massachusetts in its entirety. It's about to be dismantled. I'm Lorre Fritchy. I'm documenting the teardown process not only for posterity, but for use in my feature film Millies, which I'm writing and directing. The view from the roof of the soon-to-be demolished Lincoln Foods building. Unbelievable views of this city. The building should never have gotten to this point where knocking it down is all we can do. Too bad it couldn't be on the National Register. If Lawrence was on the National Register, we might have prevented some of these teardowns. It's my hope and belief that art can make a difference and that Millies can help prevent this kind of teardown atrocity in other mill towns and mill cities around the world. Majestic and awesome, and I don't care if they didn't build them to last forever, they still last longer than our buildings we build today, and they have character that we don't even dream of. You won't get that back. The main character's mill building may suffer the same fate, so I'll film some of the old girl's demise here in case we can use it. When you have a story about old mills and history's ghosts like I do, it's a good idea to film something like this. The only way to save Lincoln Foods at this point is on film. I think I see more than ever why it's important that we're telling this story.